How to change Wix Forms submission email address. So I've just logged into my Wix account and I've clicked on edit site, which has loaded up the Wix editor. Now right here, we want to search for forms. And then right here, we will do Wix Forms and payments. We want to click on open. And first I'm going to add this to my site. So it's going to look like this. Wix Forms, it might ask you for permission, but we'll basically just choose a template here, choose template, make it do its work here, and it's going to look like this. Now you will have some options here for form settings and all of this other info here. So we want to click on form settings, and this will load up your form settings, obviously. So right here, we can see the submission table. So if we click on view submission table, it will load up all of the submissions. But actually what we want to do here is set up email notifications. So if I click on set notifications here, it will show me where my emails are going. So whenever somebody submits a form on Wix, I will receive an email here. But if you want to learn how to change this form submission, then you will click on set notifications here. And basically all we have to do is change the email right here. So we will just remove this email address, we will add a collaborator, and we will type out the email right here. And basically, if they receive the email and confirm, then the form submissions will be sent out to that email address as well. Or we can select email only and we can add the email this way. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.